had a dream, and it was about the second coming of Christ. And in that dream, he came like a thief at night, just like how the Bible describes it. So I was in my apartment in LA. It was nighttime. I was about to fall asleep, but then the power in my apartment went out. I just thought it was just regular power outage. I didn't think much of it. And then I started hearing a lot of noise outside, so I looked out, and it was utter chaos. And then I started seeing like people people just going up in the sky, like they just turn white and then go up in the sky like a bright light. So I knew it was I knew it was the rapture, basically. And then in that dream, God gave me some very clear guys, it felt so real and so scary, and he gave me some clear instructions as a warning, not just for you guys but also for myself. So I just pray that you guys really, if you never listen to any of my messages, if you've never acted on any of my messages, please guys, this is the one. So this year, guys, any friend, any activity, any company that is not taking you closer to God, you have to cut them out. You have to detach.